history books forgot about us, and the Bible didn't mention us, and the Bible didn't mention us, not even once. You are my sweetest downfall. I loved you first, beneath the stars came falling on our heads, but they're just alive, your hair was long when we first met. Samson came to my bed, told me that my hair was red, told me I was beautiful, and came into my bed. Oh, I cut his hair myself one night, a pair of dull scissors in the yellow light, and he told me that I'd done all right, and kissed me till the morning light, and he kissed me till the morning light. Samson went back to bed. No chair left on his head. He ate on a slice of Wonder Bread and went right back to bed. But we couldn't bring the columns down, but we couldn't destroy a single one, and the history books forgot about